Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to learn how to make money with emails. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video for daily making money online videos. And today guys, I'm gonna give you a bonus tip, but don't skip through this video so you don't miss any step. So let's get into the video. So this website is called paytoreademail.com. Why join paid to read email? You receive daily paid emails, quick payment processing within 24 hours, so you're getting paid under 24 hours. Low $15 payment limit. Just say if you made $15, this means you can put this money in your PayPal account. And most of us wanna get to the money, and we wanna earn in our PayPal accounts. It's a fantasy for all of us, and we wanna learn how to make money online and put the money in the PayPal account, which is important for most of us. Join and activate account plus earn $3 sign up bonus. So guys, when you sign up to this website, what they actually do is they're gonna pay you $3 just for signing up, which is crazy. And as soon as you enter, your account will be activated, which means you'll instantly receive the money to your PayPal account. Take daily surveys, earn 0.5 to $1 per survey, which is crazy. It's good. Refer your friends, like giving your friends or sharing this website with your friends. You can earn money, and you'll get 50 cents up to $1 per survey, which is a good deal, because the survey doesn't take time. It's easy to do, and even a kid can do it, even a dog can do it. So when you open the website pay to read email, that's the home page. First of all, you want to choose your gender, and you'll put your information here. Like type your information, like example, maybe your name is John. Type your name here, put your email, write your password, choose your gender, and then boom, sign up. And yeah, that's how we sign up to this website. And once you have signed up, this page will pop up. So thank you, your pay to read email account is now active. 3 sign up bonus has been credited to your account. Remember to ensure that you receive all the emails from us. Please whitelist our email at your email provider. So guys, now we have an active account, which means we earned $3 just for signing up. As you guys can see here, there is the cash, $3 instantly. So there is 3 ways to be rewarded for your online activities. Like guys, there is cash surveys, there's cash offers, there's earn points, there's paid emails. So let me explain a couple of these. Cash surveys is when you do a survey daily, and you'll earn up to 50 cents to $1 per survey, which is a good deal, and most people chooses this one. And there is cash offers. Are you interested in trying a product or service free of charge? Stop by and check out for 100 free. So cash offers, actually you try products and services for free, but most of the people, and these are earn points, that's not important. And this paid emails, you receive emails, and once you click on the website, you'll be directed to a website. You just have to scroll for 30 minutes or something, 30 seconds or something, so you can earn the money. So cash surveys is what most people does, so we'll go to cash surveys. So as you can see, there's your surveys, there's Dynata surveys, there's opinion surveys, there's survey time. So the bonus tip of this video today is always start with survey time and then finish Dynata surveys. Let me tell you why. Because they are limited. They are limited. Limit 10 per day. Limit 1 per day. And we want to take advantage of this website is to make the most money as possible in our PayPal account. That's what we want, to get the money on our PayPal account. So always start with survey time or Dynata surveys, and that's the tip for today. So always start with these two because they are limited, and then do your surveys and opinion surveys. They are unlimited. As you guys can see, they are unlimited. So then you start doing those, and as soon as you will start doing those, I suggest you do all of them. Let me tell you why. We want to make the most money as possible every day. If you like, let's say you did 10 per hour or 20 per hour, see how much you're gonna make. Like, imagine doing this for 6 hours a day and earning, let's say $100, $150, $200 per day, which is crazy. So yeah, there's your surveys that we talked about. That's the top paid surveys by this website. There's your surveys, there's Dynata surveys, there's survey time, and Say So Energy. So as I told you guys, you want to start with that, your surveys or survey or Dynata surveys or survey time. But as I told you guys, start with Dynata surveys or survey time first because they are limited, and then go back and do your surveys, which is unlimited. One tip before we close this video is if you click at more, you can see refer friends. When you refer friends, sharing this to friends and family, you are gonna get paid, which is nice and crazy. So always when you sign up to this website, send it to your friends. They're gonna take 15% of your referrals earnings from competing offers, taking survey and shopping online. So you'll be credited 15% of your referrals earnings, which is crazy. That's passive income. And imagine just sleeping and doing that. That's crazy. Just 15% of each referral earning. That's crazy. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, turn on notifications, and subscribe for more for daily making money online videos, so you don't miss any video to make money online today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share this video.